Hello everyone, I'm Kate and I'm going to walk you through how to restore or recover deleted contacts on your Android phone. So let's say you've deleted some contacts and you want to recover them. There are three ways to do it. The first way is from the phone app. So you click on contacts, click on three buttons on the top right corner. Then you click on recycle bin. And then all your contacts, if you say it is deleted within 30 days, will appear here. Click on another contact, click on all. As to select all, and up down here you click on restore. And that's a simple way to do it. Now if it has been more than 30 days or it doesn't work that way, the other way you can do it, I'm trying to highlight them to delete them one more time. So the other way I can do it, if I don't want to go through that method, is to download Google Contacts. Now you have to download it from Play Store. Once you download Google Contacts, you click on it and then click on organize. You see restore contacts. Now this restores contacts from the backup from your Android devices. Now if you don't have any backup, you can simply go to recently deleted Google account contacts and you restore from there. Click on any of them and wait for a few seconds and your contacts will be restored. And that's it.